Hi everyone, welcome back to Season 2 of Markets and Matchups.
My name is Scarlet. I'm the Business Development Manager here at Barclay Pearce Capital. I'm joined with Chris for our Wealth Management team, who will be giving us a wrap of the markets. And later, we'll be joined by Ryan, our Corporate Analyst, to dive into the footy.
Diving into the markets. So we'll start with the macro theme, being obviously the Middle Eastern conflict driving market escalation involving US, Israel and Iran, which has disrupted oil supply routes and shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, a key artery of global energy markets. This has in turn sparked concerns about global inflation and delayed central bank rate cuts. In the US, US markets have moved into a risk-off tone as geopolitical shocks and energy inflation dominated the macro narrative. Locally in Australia, the ASX tracked global risk sentiment, with energy providing a partial offset to broader market weakness. Resource stocks were particularly volatile, with materials sliding sharply at times, while energy stocks outperformed due to rising crude prices. The ASX 200 index fell 3.8% for the week, the biggest decline since April 2025. Into commodities, so obviously oil has been the biggest mover, of course heavily attributed to the Middle Eastern conflicts. Gold was another standout as investors sought safe haven assets during geopolitical uncertainty. To start the week, it's been a very bearish tone. Keep an eye out for energy and material stocks, which could outperform relative to broader markets as commodities gain on safe haven flows. We may see rate-sensitive stocks, for example, tech and consumer discretionary, struggle. Watch oil prices and US economic data as key drivers and prepare for sector rotation rather than broader market strength.
Thank you for that, Chris. Ryan, it's time to talk footy. What were some games that were a highlight for you?
Yeah, very exciting start to the season. We had 2 games in Vegas. We had the Knights play the Cowboys and the Bulldogs play the Dragons. So both very exciting games. But I'd say a standout for me was definitely the Warriors demolishing the Roosters on Friday night, which is super exciting.
I agree. I hate the Roosters and I love the Warriors, so I was really happy about that as well. And you're a Wars fan, aren't you?
I am a Wars fan.
I'm joined by another Wars fan.
Go the Warriors.
Yeah, there's a few of us around here, which is always good.
I'm going to be converted by the end of this podcast. That's fine.
But also your team as well, right?
Yeah,
the
Panthers.
They defeated the Broncos 26-0.
Flog them, which is great. We love versing the Broncos because obviously we lost to the Broncos. We were in the grand final with the Broncos when we smashed them, so it's always a nice game to watch. Smash them 26-0 at Suncorp, which is even sweeter.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, so around the park, we had some big wins over round 1. The Storm, the Warriors, the Panthers, and the Sharks all putting some high points on the opposition. So, yeah, very good round to start the season.
Yeah, for sure. If you had to pick a second team other than Warriors, who would your next people be? Everyone needs to understand your footy vibe.
Okay, yeah, I like that question. I have to say the Broncos. I mean, I lived in Brisbane for most of my life, so yeah.
So after I've just gone off saying I hate the Broncos,
yeah,
because I'm a Panthers fan, they're your second team.
I'm not a big believer in having 2 teams, but I guess push comes to shove, I'll go for the Broncos, yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so any games you're looking forward to in round 2?
Well, we've got a lot of West Tigers fans in the office.
We do,
they've got their first game of the season against the Cowboys Saturday night. So, yeah, mark that in your calendars.
Yeah, for sure. Yep.
Another one I'm quite interested in is the Broncos. So that's the first game of this round.
First Eels?
Versus the Eels, yes, that's right. So that's up in Suncorp Stadium.
I'll be going for Eels for sure. Any other team.
But very exciting. So looking forward to it.
Yeah, and Panthers are versing Sharks, so obviously we'll win for sure.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, the Panthers have quite a strong
We're the
squad
best
this
team.
year.
We're the best team, hands down.
It's early days.
No. Absolutely. We will win, so I'm really excited about that. I think it's our year again. We had a little break. We had a little rest. But now we're going to go for another grand final for sure.
That's right, maybe. I mean, Waz have a good squad. So
go the Warriors.
Waz are my second team. So I will support you on that as well.
We can't be having second teams.
We have to have second teams. Panthers, Waz, Eels. Maybe Bulldogs actually as well. It's kind of iffy. Whoever's winning in the season, that's who I'm going for.
That's it for this week's Market and Matchups.
Don't forget to follow along and share with your fellow footy fans. We'll be back next week for another episode.
See ya.